The length of a rectangular garden is 6 feet longer than its width. If the area of the garden is 55 square feet, find its length and its width. Well, the length of the garden is 6 feet longer than the width, so 6 plus the width. And we know that the area is length times width. And since the area is 55 square feet, the length we can express as 6 plus w. And so length times width can be expressed in terms of one variable so that we can solve this equation for the variable w. So we can say that the area equals the length, which is 6 plus w, times the width is where we get this equation. So that 55 equals 6w plus w squared. Now because of the w squared, I can see this is a quadratic equation. So if I get everything on one side, then I will be able to solve this for w. So I'm going to subtract 55, and I'll have a w squared term on the right, a 6w, and a minus 55. Now looking at this, I will try and factor this problem in order to solve it. I know I need a w, and I know the signs will be opposite, and I need to find 55, which could be 11 and 5 or 55 and 1. If we try 11 and 5, we get a positive 11w in the middle and negative 5w on the outside. That gives us the 6w in the middle. So this is the factored form I want. Well, that means that either w plus 11 equals 0 or w minus 5 equals 0. If I subtract 11, I'd get a width of negative 11. I know I can't have a negative width. So if I add 5, I get a width of a positive 5. So I know that must be the choice, that the width equals 5. And since the length equals 6 plus w, then that means the length will equal 6 plus 5, so the length equals 11. So what I have is the width is 5 feet and the length is 11 feet.